Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will know how to remove camera icon from the lock screen of your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. Put lock screen and see here, this is the camera icon, and if you swipe up, camera will directly open and you can take photo. Suppose if you don't want this camera icon on the locked screen, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone first. Go to the settings and go to lock screen, and then click on lock screen here, and here you can just remove camera. Okay, just click on minus symbol and it will be removed. Okay, and click on done. Means there will be no icon in the bottom right side on lock screen. See here, only in the left side call button is available. Okay, you can also replace camera with any other one. Okay, again go to the settings and click on lock screen and go to lock screen here and click on plus symbol, and I have added now calculator. So call button on the left side, calculator on the right side will appear when your phone is locked. Okay, you can also replace left shortcut, this shortcut. Okay, just remove it and you can replace it with another one. Here I replace it with torch. Okay, so whatever you want, yes, you can do it. You can completely remove those two, or you can remove either one, or you can replace them. Okay, so in this way you can easily customize lock screen shortcut. Okay, see here on the lock screen, torch and calculators are showing. Okay, in this way you can easily customize. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.